Okay, so today we're going to look at some if statements. And an if statement is basically based on decision making. If statements and the whole thing about it is kind of decision making. So the first one we're going to do here is an age calculator. So age calculator, so you stick with me here with this. Do this as well as you're going along. You don't have to put in the comments. I think it's important to put in comments as well. But look, I just do the comments, you do the coding. So, we're going to take an age from the user, and I'm going to do some mistakes on purpose here now, okay? I'm going to do some mistakes on purpose, and I'm going to find out an age calculator if to find out if someone can drive. If someone can drive. So, I'm going to start off by taking an input from the user. I'm going to say, please enter age. Or, look, we'll keep it short and sweet. Enter your age. Now, when I move down to the if statement here, I'm going to do the syntax of it. I put in the keyword if, then I put in, I'm just showing you here how it's going to look. You put in your test expression, a colon, which at the end of the test expression, which will signify that when I press the return key, the block of code will now be indented, and you have a block of code belonging to this if statement. So I'm going to say here the code to execute if the test expression is true. So you don't have to put in the comments now. Code to execute if the condition or if the test expression evaluates to true. Right, so I'm going to come down here and I'm going to say in my my test expression, I'm going to go if the age is greater than or equal to, what age do you need to be able to drive? 17. If it's greater than or equal to 17, I don't have to insert those brackets. But personally, I think it looks nice because sometimes you can have multiple test expressions in a statement. So if the person is 17 or over, I'm going to print out a little message to them to say, you are old enough to drive. You are old enough to drive. So I want you all now, when you've got that done, to run it and see what happens. And I'll be back in the next video to see what happens.